Where are we going?
Oh, let's go to Shaton. But first we need to pray.
Pray?
Yeah? Hi guys, we're gonna film right now where I live, so yeah, it's interesting.
Yeah, let's go. Let's see how a local Filipina lives here.
Yeah. Hi to our vlog. She's shy.
Okay, no problem.
It's our neighbor. That's exactly what our like turkey. It's
Oh.
our turkey. The two, that's ours. Yeah,
Okay.
but just the two, but the other one it's not. Yeah, this is where I live. Not done yet. And
Yeah, cool.
this is my friend.
Hello.
And this is Ruja, my friend too.
Good. Hello.
Yeah. This is Chewy.
Oh,
My
nice.
sister and my friend.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it.
So cute.
Yeah, so cute.
Yeah. What is it? It's a cooking
Um,
place.
Yeah, this is where we cook. Like we burn some woods to make it fire, and yeah. Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, and anyway, this is my brother taking a bath. This is where we wash our clothes, and yeah, it's kind of bit of old, but yeah, we still can hang there and make it dry.
Oh, it's for diving.
Yeah, my brother and the other one will go diving if
Oh, cool.
yeah, if we want. Yeah, that's it. And that's our bike. Yeah. Anyway, this is our old house, but still totally like destroyed because of the
Typhoon.
yeah, typhoon. A lot of typhoon coming
year?
here, and yeah, flooding. Yeah, but we built new one and it's not done yet. See, as you can see.
Yeah, but you have TV, karaoke.
Yeah, we do sing a lot. That's
Oh.
Filipino do.
Ay, kay palit mo color ang nito.
So sweet.
Yes, it's so sweet. It looks like the first you saw this one, you think that it's angry, but it's not. Yeah, how about in Panaon? It's nice there. Uy, na po yung good ni Adtoon. Ato ka minsan pa ba? So let's go in naman to yung beach. So let's go, bye guys.
Where are we?
At the Mantuyot Beach here in Shaton. So yeah, as you can see, the water is more like brown. It's
Yeah.
Milo color. So
Why it is?
yeah, because it's near from the river.
Yeah.
So it will, if it will gonna rain in the mountain, so the water from the mountain will go down here so that it will like mix in the
Right.
water of the
Right.
river. So
And you probably don't want to swim here, yeah?
yeah, right
Yeah.
now I don't want it because you know what? If you're gonna wear white t-shirt, and the color of the water we're just gonna stick on it, so it's
Yeah.
not good.
Yeah,
Place.
what I want to say is that you guys should probably choose location, yeah?
Yeah.
Because in our place in Dauin, there is never brown water.
Yeah.
It's always clean. Yeah, and in some places in the Philippines, I heard water can be green.
The water will stack. There will be a like algae on it, like a molds on the inside, so it will turn into green.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you.
Yeah, so that's it. We're
Yeah.
here at the river, Shaton River. So you can see there's a bridge right there.
Yeah, we found the reason of dirty water in the ocean, yeah?
Yeah, in the ocean in Mantuyot Beach. We call it Mantuyot Beach. So the reason why it's brown there, because as you can see, like I've said before, maybe it rained there at the top of the mountain, so
Yeah.
the water just go down here and go there.
Yeah,
so look-
fresh water but dirty, so going inside
Yeah,
the ocean.
yeah, so the Shaton River. So that's it.
That's it.
Ta-da!
Yeah.
Balanan Lake. So as you can see, it's very nice here.
Yeah.
Although I'm from Shaton, but it's my first time to come here.
It's about 10 kilometers from the city, yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah, and the road not so good. It's
Yeah,
mostly
it's
rocky.
not like all cement road, but
Yeah.
some of it's bumpy and rocky road.
Yeah, but it's worth it. How do you think?
Yeah, it's worth it. If you're
Yeah.
gonna go here, it's just worth it. Yeah, because the surrounding is very nice. It's good.
Yeah, and it cost $1.50 pesos
Yeah,
for entrance.
it's not so expensive.
Yeah. And they build in here a zip line, yeah?
Yeah.
So after some time it will be available, but
Yeah.
now only you can take here like a boat.
I think that's the one. You can see the wire there. That's
Yeah.
zip line. You can go
Oh.
there. Yeah, and
Yeah.
go down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they repairing it, and after a while
Yeah,
you can take
it's
it.
under construct, I think. Before it's not pandemic. Look at that boat. They usually use that to like kayaking in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, but now it's it's been in a pandemic, so it's stopped. So it's for now it's going back. It's not that already coming back to normal here, but it's kind of like bit by bit. Yeah, so you know
Yeah, I
what?
think we today the only one tourists here, yeah?
Yeah,
I didn't see anyone else.
yeah, that one. It's like you can walk there. Before that's yeah, you can walk there,
Yeah.
but now you cannot because there's already like a lot of rust, and yeah, it's
That's
under
why they
construct.
repairing it, yeah?
Yeah, they're repairing it. Yeah, they're working on it.
Yeah, but it's still beautiful place.
Yeah, it's
Like
still
inside
beautiful.
of jungles.
Yeah, it's nice, very nice. Oh, I'm curious what is this way.
Yeah, let's find out.
Let's go there. Then you're just gonna come back after.
Okay.
So, yeah, it's worth it, guys. If you want to come here, just come here in Balanan Lake. Yeah, it's nice, super
Yeah,
nice.
you're good promotion. Good in promotion.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh, look, it's a big tree.
Oh yeah, it's a house in the trees. Yeah.
What, you wanna go?
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
come on. Because you know what, you can just stop here. Good. I think we're gonna go home right now, yeah, because we're gonna go to Santabucks.
Yeah, we need one.
Yeah,
ta-da.
in Santa. Ta-da! I don't know why he like it. Ta-da! Santabucks is here.
Yeah. What is it, Santabucks?
Santabucks is just like an eco adventure park. So
Oh yeah.
it have a lot
It's
of
for young adventurers.
yeah, it's for adventurous people.
Yeah, let's check it out. What they have.
Yeah, let's check it out.
Check it
Hey,
out.
check it out. I mean, sorry.
It's
Yeah.
good.
Hello, ma'am sir. Good afternoon.
Ayun hapon. Pila ni?
100 pesos ang entrance fee, sir.
Okay. Which one more cute?
This one.
This one more cute?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Let's see, it's more cute, but you know. Oh, I like the style.
Oh, it's a swimming pool in shape of heart,
Yeah.
but empty.
But this one is my favorite. Like it's cute.
Okay, it's already her favorite.
Yeah, but we cannot go inside because you know.
Okay, yeah. Here is the view. Here's baby web. Leave your shoes and slippers.
1 minute.
2-person allowed.
So I'm gonna. Come here.
Oh my. It's not easy.
Oh.
You need to move
Oh my god.
like spider do.
Oh no.
Oh yeah. Oh
Oh, it's stop. It's bouncing.
yeah.
We're bouncing in the big web. Can you hold this for me? Let's take a selfie.
Be careful. Don't step.
Oh, you need to.
How it feels?
It feels like scary when you go here because there it's a bit more bigger than
Yeah.
here. Yeah,
That's
you're
all.
just gonna come here like a spider, just crawling. Yeah, but it's alright. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're so creative. Let's go to the other.
You don't like this one?
No, it's not. It's not free for the like 100.
And this one free?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, ready?
You need
Yep.
to hold my phone properly.
Yeah, I hold it.
Wash out your feet. Don't forget to wash your feet. Okay?
Okay. Woo! Yeah, it's cool. Whoa. Cool.
Yeah, hi guys. We're in the big swing.
Yeah. So, what do you think about today?
Yeah, I think about like I like the palwa thing. Palwa ride? Is that palwa ride?
Hmm.
And I like the big web. Yeah. Spider web. Yeah, if you wanna go here, it's nice here.
Yeah.
But you cannot spend a lot of time in a like spider web because it's just 1 minute.
Because there could be spiders.
Yeah.
Do you know what I like the most?
What?
That we spent today together.
Yeah, me too. I like
Hello?
the most is spending time with you and I'm so happy. I'm so happy.